Hi guys, this is my beginner's makeup look and I will show you how I get ready. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, today I'll show you beginner's makeup look. So I'll be using simple and affordable products today. First thing is you have to do is wash your face and then apply a moisturizer. I am using this moisturizer from Mamaearth. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. This is not compulsory to use this moisturizer only. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Apply it all over your face. Second thing I'm going to be using is this Lakme Absolute primer. This is the thing, you have to use it before applying foundation on your face because this is very important step. Usually generally forget to apply primer all over their face and it does not look very clear. Like if you are applying foundation on your face, then it will look like cakey. So to avoid that thing, you have to apply primer gently all over your face. Now I'll apply this foundation. This is Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the shade Natural Beige. This is for normal to oily skin, so I'll be using this foundation. Just take small amount and apply gently all over your face, especially in your dark circles areas, like under your eyes. I have dark circle area near my mouth also. Yes. So in this way you just have to take this is you have to take a blender and you have to simply blend it so that it will not look like cakey on your face. Lip balm to moist my lips, and now I'm going to apply this face powder from Faces Canada in the shade Natural 02. Just take small amount and apply under your eyes and the area which you want to cover. Now I'll do the eye makeup. For this I'll be using this kajal from Sugar, this curler from Blue Heaven, and this eyeliner from L18. These are very affordable products and best products of mine. I will apply this kajal from Sugar on my eyes. So I am using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and in this I'm gonna using this shade just matching to my skin tone so that it won't look abrupt. It just give a glittery thing on my eyes. Is done. Now I will apply this eyeliner from L18. Now our makeup is almost done. I am using this Contour D face palette from Sugar. In this I have highlighter and blush. I'm gonna be using this highlighter and this blush. So first I'll take the small thin brush to apply this blush, and I will simply put 2-3 strands over here, and I will mix it with a thick brush. See, now I'm going to use highlighter over my nose, just above the area where you applied blush, in my forehead, here and here. That is it. Now you have to mix it with your thick brush. Using is this lipstick. This is from MAC. Since I'm using I'm wearing a white top, so I'll just use nude color so that it won't look abrupt. I'll just twist my eyelashes with this eyelash twister. That is it. I'm going to use this eyelash curler from Blue Heaven. My face makeup is ready, guys. See, nothing is looking over makeup. Like I have used blush, highlighter, contour, everything, but nothing is looking like over makeup and all. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.